Hello, in this video we'll see how to write the letter T. This is T, Ta, Te, T, To, Te, Tu, Ti, Ta, Te, T, To. I will show you how to write them. Let's do it together. Te, 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 and Te. So what I'm doing is I'm writing Te, meaning it's the start. I'm in the first one out of the 7. And I want to add some features like a line or round to make the trailing alphabets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what you do is just add a line like this. Let's change a color. And this now is 2. Add this line. This one is T. Add this line like this one, Ta. Add this one is Te, like this one. And add this, it's T. And finally add around here, it becomes a To. Okay, so this is Te, Tu, Ti, Ta, Te, Tu, To. So after you practice this, I'm sure you will be able to write this very fast. So Te, Tu, Ti, Ta, Te, Tu, To. This is a round. This one is a round, okay? So this is Te. Like I said, this one is 2. This one is, the third one is T. First one is Ta. The fifth one is Te. Sixth one is T. And the last one is To. To. I made a mistake here. I made it Ko. Remember, Ko, Kika, Ke, Ko. It should be To instead. Okay, like that. Just a cross and then a circle. Okay, so this is Te, Tu, Ti, Ta, Te, T, To in the way we write it. I will come with a different alphabet in the next video. Thank you.